Big dogs make big moves. That's not just a saying, it's a lifestyle. You think the wolves in the wild check the weather forecast before they hunt? Nah. Mother Nature does not stop the bills from coming in. This is a dog fight. Every single day you have a choice. Be the hunter or the hunted. Make moves or make excuses. Your environment doesn't determine your outcome. Your response to it does. When life throws stones your way, don't run for shelter. Dance in the rain. Champions aren't made in perfect conditions. Winners win and losers lose. Make the right move. Big dog moves. The more you do, the less you weigh.